Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about gold and nature. Before we get started, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below on your feedback. Now let's begin. Gold and nature has a very close relationship. Nature is a series of phenomena in the physical world that makes up all life within it. Nature is what builds up the universe and provides the essential needs for our survival. With gold boards made from plain wood and gold stones originally made from rocks, gold holds many parts of nature within its game. In this world, nature is a very mysterious thing. Every living thing in the physical world depends on nature to survive. Although we don't know the answers behind Mother Nature, gold can explain the many branches of nature. Everything in gold has a reason. Just like everything exists in this world has a reason. Gold boards are made from different categories of wood. They are crafted with special care and designed uniquely. Even though gold boards come in different shapes or sizes, every gold board has one thing in common: the 19 by 19 grid imprinted on its surface. The 19 by 19 grid on the gold board may look simple and plain, but it is very unique and have a reason. There are 361 intersections on the board, with each intersection representing one day from the 361 days cycle on the ancient Chinese lunar year calendar. Another special fact about gold boards is the shape that they're in. Every gold board contains a flat surface and is square-sized to represent the Earth, because back then, people used to believe that Earth is flat. Because the shape of the gold board is square-sized, every gold board holds four sides. Each side of the gold board indicates the four seasons of the year, and the four sides of the gold board are a symbol of the four seasons surrounding the Earth: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Gold boards also consist of 9 special star points marked within its grid. Those 9 star points on the board aren't there just for show, but each has a meaning behind itself. 8 of the star points that surround the center point each holds one part of the 8 natural phenomena of the world: sky, ground, thunder, water, mountain, wind, fire, and reflection. The Tianyuan, which is the middle star point on the board, is a symbol of the Earth. Back then, people used to believe that the Earth is in the center of the universe, which is why there is a star point in the middle. Gold stones are uniquely crafted materials made from many types of natural resources, such as rocks, shells, minerals, and more. The gold stone used in gold are always round and circular and were made purposely in that shape based on the sky from people's point of view. Gold stones always include two colors, black and white. The colors are to symbolize yin and yang, the two major forces in the universe. It was once believed that yin and yang are what created the universe. Based on all its meanings, gold isn't that much different from nature. Gold is a representation of humans wandering around the world, enjoying nature and life. To understand the relationship between humans and nature. By playing Go, players would put themselves in a state of mind with their spirits within the Go board, attempting to understand the world they're in. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in seeing more of our videos, please remember to subscribe and comment below. If you wanted to contact us, please check the description below. Thank you.